And then we're gonna milk them. What is milking the cucumber? Well, see. Aki lunch for my husband. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a delicious and refreshing agua fresca. We're making a pineapple and cucumber one, but we're also gonna add some chia and some spinach to give our agua fresca a nice color. It's gonna make it look super bright, refreshing. Let me just show you. So this is the pineapple that we're gonna use. And I know what you're gonna think. It's ugly, it's probably bad, but it's not. So I like to let my pineapples sit on the counter for about a week before I start using them because they get super sweet and juicy, which is perfect for your agua fresca. We're gonna begin by cutting this or peeling it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. I have a serrated knife, and you're just going to cut the ends. And then you're gonna go down, peeling all this skin. Try not to cut so much. I just like to use a serrated knife. These we can also save to make another drink called tepache or vinegar. So let's save it so we can make some tepache. Because we're not gonna waste anything here. Everything needs to get put to use. FYI, I don't drink tepache, but my dad does. So that's why we're gonna save it. All right, we're only gonna use half of the pineapple because the other half we're gonna use for something else. Because somebody, my husband, wants paletas. So we're gonna make paletas with the other half. Okay, so you're gonna cut it into a fourth, and then we're gonna get rid of the core because this makes your tongue, well, personally, it's just not. It just hurts your tongue. How do you call it? Descalda? Like, how do you say it? I don't know how to say it in English, but it hurts your tongue. All right, so we got that out of the way. Now we're just gonna cut it into cubes. Remember, always reserve a little bit of fruit for garnish. So I'm just gonna use a little bit. La voy a picar like really tiny, so I can put it inside the jarra or the pitcher. Okay, this is gonna go into my blender. And next is going to be the cucumber. So here's the deal with the cucumber. We want the agua fresca to have a nice color. So it's gonna be a mixture of the yellow from the pineapple and the green. So we're gonna need the skin of the cucumber. These are super, super waxy. So you're gonna have to wash it. Some people go crazy because I wash them with soap, but you can wash it with whatever you want. I'm gonna use soap. So I'm gonna go wash this, then I'll be right back. And we're back with the clean cucumber. We're gonna cut off the edges of the cucumber, and then we're gonna milk them. What is milking the cucumber? Well, see, it has like this, I don't know how to call it, like some white milky stuff on there. Like you can see it right here. Some white milky stuff. And that will make your agua fresca bitter. So the trick is to kind of just rub it with the other half of the cucumber, and then you'll get rid of the milk, whatever that is. I don't know what it is, but you milk your cucumber. Don't forget to do that. Now we're gonna chop. Milk on the cucumber. You see it? Yeah, you don't want that. Be gone. Chop, chop, chop. Into the blender it goes. To the blender, we're gonna add my family's daily greens in the form of spinach. Just kidding, it's just to give the agua fresca a nice refreshing color, or a nice refreshing taste. I don't know, just put in some spinach, about a cup. You're also gonna need your sweetener of choice. You can use Splenda, you could use monk fruit, you can use stevia. I don't know if you wanna use honey, but you can use honey also. In my case, we're gonna use sugar. And this is also about I don't know, half a cup of sugar. You can use as much as you want. And we're gonna fill this up with water. Fill up your blender with water, and now we're going to blend until smooth. That's good enough. All right, guys, so now we have our pitcher full of ice, and I just realized as I'm gonna put in my garnish inside my pitcher that I ended up putting my pineapple garnish in the blender. So I ended up putting the pineapple in the blender for my garnish, so we don't have the pineapple garnish. And I also forgot to reserve some cucumber garnish, but it's okay. We have the other half of the pineapple, and then I also have some cubed up cucumbers that we're gonna use. So that's what we're gonna put in there. Always reserve some for garnish. It just makes your drink look super cute. These are cucumbers that I cut up or pre-cut up because Alize requested some hot Cheetos with cueritos, or hot Cheetos preparados, and it comes with cucumber and jicama, so I just cut up a lot of cucumber and I put it in the fridge so she can just go in there and get it. We have our other half. Don't worry, guys, I have a lot of ADHD moments. Reserve some for garnish. And then put it in here. Just makes it look super cute. Here's where we're gonna add the chia seeds. And we're not gonna add a lot, just a little bit, so whenever you're drinking your agua fresca, you have like a little crunch. Plus, it's super healthy. We're gonna use about, I don't know, how much is that? Like half a tablespoon? Oh, a lot of you guys always ask me, what do I do when my agua fresca gets foamy? Simple. You're gonna grab a spoon and just get rid of that damn foam. This is the foam. It's not cute. Doesn't even taste good. Who the hell likes drinking foam? Not we. Okay. Now we're gonna pour it into our pitcher. FYI, this is my cilantro holder, but I hate my actual pitcher. And now you're going to mix. But now with this. Because it's long and you go all the way in there, mixing everything. And this is where I say this is the perfect time for you to check for sweetness. If it needs more sugar, add more sugar. If it's too sweet, you can add more water or just dilute it. It's not a big deal. Some people like more sugar in their stuff, some people just don't. I happen to like them super sweet. But I think this one's perfect like that because the pineapple was super sweet. Oh my gosh, that's actually really good. And this would go well with like tequila. I don't know. How does spinach and tequila sound? Probably not good, huh? Let me go fill this up with ice. These drinks are perfect for this summer that it's super hot out there. You know, it's probably a little bit more healthier than just drinking a cold soda or a juice. There's fruits. There's even vegetables, because spinach is a vegetable, right? Just make a big pitcher, put it in your fridge. So this is what our agua fresca looks like. This is the reason why we keep the peel on the cucumber and we add a little bit of spinach so it can have a nice refreshing color. And now you can just sip and enjoy. Next time we should add some kiwis. It's actually really good. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on everything. And that is it, guys. Bye. Hey, 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 hey.